arrive in style with this 2015 Buick LaCrosse base. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: auto-dimming rearview mirror, universal garage door opener, remote engine start, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, front-wheel drive, power steering, automatic headlights and MP3 player. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.